a little video here about restoration. This in particular, right here. This is not a firearm. It's a BB gun that I picked up. Picked it up in a local pawn shop for $20. Not like this. This was like burnt orange and it had like looked like it had been beaten with a hammer. And this was orange from rust. I kid you not. Yeah, and like I said, Mississippi is hard to find hard goods down here. You know, it's not like in New York. You know, so like to find this in a pawn shop for $20. This is originally it's like a $200 Chinese BB gun. It's like a high quality BB gun. It shoots BBs at like around 1100 FPS. What it does is it has a swing arm like this, and like pulls this out. This thing's like takes effort to pull this out. Yeah, it's like high power. You can pound a BB right through a wall with this. But what it was, everything on it was messed up. The sight was broken. I had to fix that because the bar they have across here, I can't even use that anymore. I use the peg here, which you can see to line up, and it works. I learned that to the front sight because the bar was broken. I mean, I couldn't fix a replacement. We don't need it. I mean, I've shot it and it seems to shoot fine. This, like I said, was coated in rust. One of the things you can do if you get rusty metal, like because this thing was like looked like this, right here, like that. That's how bad it was, like as bad as that. Is you can take this, get a plastic bag, garbage bag, and with this, don't because of this the rubber, don't do it too long. I mean, it shouldn't hurt the rubber, but because if it's older, you don't want to leave it overnight or something. But if the rust isn't too bad, it's just surface rust. One of the things you can do is put it in a plastic bag, put vinegar over it. Wait about 12 hours. It'll you can just wipe off some of that surface rust. In the case with this, though, I mean, I've had stuff where that was just light surface rust, and you could just like use like a light, almost like a rough cloth to polish it. But in the case with this, it didn't work. I tried that. I actually had to use like go to the dollar store and get emery cloth, and I sanded this, and then I blew it because it was that bad. But it works fine now, and it looks good. Same thing with the stock. I had to be sanded and polished because it was just terrible shit. But it works now. Like I said, I'll show you. See this swing arm right here? See? See, it pulls out. Stop! Harper. Let's get in on the action. And, like I said, it pulls all the way out and then it locks. That's why I said this thing takes effort to pull it down. But anyway, yeah, like I said, the just regular gun rule, the cheap stuff worked to make it look pretty good. And this came with this, so this I just sanded too, and same. And everything came out pretty decent. It didn't cost me a lot of money. The point is, it's disposable. Everything's like people throw everything away. It's like ridiculous. Like I said, $20. Cleaned it up, $200 BB gun. I get it for $20. Well, $26, $27 with the supplies. Because it only cost me $1 for sandpaper and like $5 for the blue. Now I'll probably use it on other guns, so probably more like 2. But like I said, it's as easy as that. To restore something was just rust and. I did forget the poly, but I had the poly and I still have it. So, all right, maybe it's $1 again, a couple of dollars worth. So still way under $30. So it doesn't cost a lot to restore a BB gun or even a firearm. If they have, I see a lot of them just go to waste, especially the BB guns. I've restored a lot of pellet guns and BB guns, and then sold them to people. Because nobody wants it. Yeah. All right, well, that's it. Just a quick, video on that. Thanks for watching.